Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. My name is Amar. I'm from 3rd year CSCA. My registered number is 513. Today I'm going to discuss about React.js, which belongs to front-end development. Let's move on to the topic. React.js, a powerful JavaScript library for building user interfaces. Learn about the key components, concepts, and the benefits of using React.js. Here comes the introduction. Discover what React.js is all about and why it has become one of the most popular choices for building interactive web applications. Here comes the next slide. Here there are four. One is component-based architecture, improved performance, large community support. And let me discuss about in detail. React's virtual DOM enables faster rendering and updates, resulting in a smoother user experience. And the next one is develop reusable UI components that simply maintenance and promote code reusability. The next one is React optimizes rendering by updating only the necessary components, leading to better performance. And the last one is join a vibrant community of developers who actively contribute to the growth of React.js. Key concepts in React.js: virtual DOM, JSX syntax, component lifecycle, state management, event handling, conditional rendering, React tools, and context API. Components in React.js. There are in total of three. One is functional, second one is class, and the third one is container. In the functional components, it builds simple and reusable components using JavaScript functions. And in class components, class create more complex components using JavaScript classes. We can consider it as a somewhat advanced version of functional components. And the final one is container components. Manage state, logic, and pass data to the presentation components. States and properties in React.js. State properties immutability. Let me discuss about the state. Manage component specific data that can be used and influence the rendering of the component. Here the state in the sense, let me tell you an example. If we are developing a counter variable in React.js, then at first we'll need to set the count equal to 0. So the setting of count equal to 0 is the state which we are discussing. You get it right? And the next one is props. Props is nothing but properties. Pass data from parent component to child component and promote data flow within the application. It is nothing but when it comes to the button, we're using on click and describing some variables or attributes there. For example, in the previous example, I have discussed about counter variable. In the button on click equal to increment counter. I'll be writing a function in the above statement for increment, right? That's where the properties. It is taking the properties from parent class to the child class. And immutability. Maintain the integrity of state and props by enforcing non-mutable data structures. Working with the virtual DOM. Learn how React efficiently updates the user interface by leveraging the power of virtual DOM, resulting in faster rendering and improved performance. It is somewhat enhanced of normal JS, React JS. In virtual DOM, the major advantage is when you change something in the code, the whole code will not render again. Only the particular thing which you manipulated will render itself again. So the space will be saved, the time will be saved. And in the ending, React.js community and resources. Meetups and conferences, documentation and tutorials, open source projects. Here they are conducting all these in a very interactive manner. I hope you got a brief session about React.js. Thank you.